I'm here at the LUXOR. This is not the room I reserved. I reserved a Pyramid King. This is in the tower, which I heard may be a little bit nicer, but I am just here checking it out for the very first time. So, got a few things going on here. There's a bathroom. I heard it was nicer. I don't know. Probably not. It's just a sink area. I don't know. It's okay. It's not in the pyramid, which I wanted. That was important to me. But I am here for 2 nights. Maybe I can get it straight. Maybe I'll stay 1 night here and 1 night at the other one that I intended to. So that's a bigger TV than I was thinking. And, oh, I thought there was going to be a refrigerator in here. Nope, no refrigerator. So maybe the view makes up for it, for not getting the room I paid for. I didn't wait in line to check out. Check in. I did a self check-in with the digital app there. Did self check-in with the digital app. And you can't really see because it's too dark for the camera. It's really close to the stadium out there for the Raiders, in the Raider Stadium for the Metallica show that's happening tomorrow. So here you have it, the LUXOR in Las Vegas, Nevada, room 263 on the 6th level of the tower, West Tower, here in beautiful Las Vegas.